Today we are exploring the Russian word БРАК. First up, БРАК means marriage. The sentence «Они в браке» means they are married. It can also mean defect or flaw in a product. A phrase «производственный брак» means manufacturing defect. But why the words marriage and defect called by the same name? Sounds like someone had a bad experience. Not at all. The two meanings have different origins. The first brak, which means marriage, came from the Slavonic verb brati, which means to take, in the sense of I take you as my bride. The second brak, which means defect, comes from the German word brechen, which means to break. Therefore, these words are homonyms and have nothing to do with each other. So next time you're in Russia and someone talks about brak, make sure you know which brak they're talking about. It could be a beautiful marriage or a not so beautiful defect. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun language tips. Thank you.